Today I am standing here in front of a Texas steakhouse. Actually, we are here in front of Saltgrass and Kemah Boardwalk here in Clear Lake. Well, actually we're in Kemah, Texas. I almost said Thailand. We're in Kemah, Texas, and I'm here to get a juicy steak. So let's go inside and see what is on the Saltgrass menu. It's okay. We all get hangry every now and then. This steakhouses mostly always come with fresh, warm bread. Is it warm?
It is.
I think it's honey butter as well.
And honey butter.
And honey butter.
That's honey butter. Okay.
What was that?
Wow, look at that. What is that?
It's a white cosmopolitan.
A white cosmopolitan. And a frozen crown and
Wait, did I mix these up?
No, you didn't.
Okay.
That's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
We just switched places.
Alright, it threw me off for a second.
Yeah.
Did I switch this?
Very cool.
Alrighty, and then...
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Took me a while to get through the straw.
I'm going to do the New York. Medium.
Good, huh?
Oh my god.
That one's all.
One thing I did miss was salad. You can get salad in Asia, but it just doesn't taste the same. And you can get imported ranch dressing. I like ranch. I think we all got ranch, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's the thing to have in Texas. But I don't know. I just miss this salad. Okay, there you go. This is a medium well 20 ounce or 21 ounce T-bone. You can get T-bone in Thailand, but it's really usually pretty thin and a little tough. Yeah. Wow. Really good.
So good.
Yeah.
And fresh homemade mashed potatoes. A little bit of garlic. I think there's some chives in there too, but it's really good.
He said, you know,
I don't know about you guys, but I'm full. That was an awesome dinner with some awesome friends. That was the first steak I've had since I've been here in like 2 weeks. It was definitely great. So our next video is going to be barbecue, Texas barbecue. I hope you guys come along with us for that, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.